So maybe you've seen this image right here, a GoPro 1 inch, and then this shot which shows 4K 200 frames per second for ultra slow motion. Well, I hate to burst your bubble, but I think these are fake. In fact, I actually know that they're fake. By the way, welcome to the channel. My name is Danny Black, and if you're new here, don't be a stranger. So in my weekly members live stream, we dug into all of the GoPro rumors and found something very interesting. In my opinion, this is probably going to be more the realistic look.
Does the turtle come with it though?
Turtle comes with it, yeah. Turtle
sweet.
power. Like if you look, let's see if I can zoom in. Like see how like it's kind of, doesn't show my mouse.
Oh, you can definitely see the
You can see where it's been like kind of shaded a little bit.
Yep.
And even right here, so above that little compartment, like even look, okay, look at the eye, an inch. See how it's like up higher?
Yep.
It just doesn't work for me. I don't know. I don't buy it for some reason. Now it actually even gets deeper than that because we zoom in very far and this is what we saw. These are the hardest things to do right. So now going here, this is the easiest part to fake if it was not true. Because actually, if you look, that looks so cut out. Ah, look it. You can see it. That's fake.
Yep.
You see it. Do you see that cut?
Oh, you can see.
You can see the lines. Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you see that square? Watch, if I up the brightness, wow. Look at that.
Yep.
Oh. That is fake. They're smart. They chose a dark spot of the picture.
Yep.
To hide it. But like there's no box here, whereas you could see a box. I'm trying to think, is there another Hero like black kind of advert that has that yellow jacket? But then actually the nail in the coffin is what happened after the stream when I actually found that skier picture with that yellow jacket. And guess what? They used that picture for the GoPro Hero 10 promotion. And I don't think GoPro would be recycling this image for a brand new camera that has a 1 inch sensor and 4K 240 frames per second slow motion. But does this all mean that there's not going to be a GoPro with a 1 inch sensor or 240 frames per second slow motion in 4K? I'm actually not saying that. I do have some doubts that there's going to be a GoPro with a 1 inch sensor. 4K 240 frames per second ultra slow motion would actually be really nice. It'd be really cool. Well, actually it'd probably be very hot, but maybe if they're able to condense it down to maybe just 1 minute of recording time, because that would basically turn into 16 minutes of slow motion. So you probably don't need that much time. But either way, let's just wait and see what happens. Don't get your hopes up too high because I think this is just going to be their final lineup to their 4-year cycle that they usually have. So the first 4 GoPros look the same. Hero 5, 6, 7, and 8 look the same. And Hero 9, 10, 11, and probably 12 is going to look the same. Except each camera that comes out is better than the last camera. There's always really good improvements, but it's more evolutionary improvements versus revolutionary improvements. Thanks for watching, and
that's it. That's the show. we proved GoPro
that's
wrong.
my clip for that's my clip for the public.
Yeah.
So there we go. And I believe Abraham Lincoln said it best. Don't trust everything you see on the internet. And thank you so much for watching this quick little video. If you do want to join the memberships, we do weekly live streams and we answer questions and do this kind of fun stuff. The bigger the sensor, the more.
The easiest way that I would explain is a 1 inch sensor, and if everyone can do this at home, because this is the easiest part to do it. Squint. And your eyes don't let much light in, but when you open your eyes up, you let lots of light in. So that's the difference between a small sensor and a large sensor.
And I knew as soon as we started talking about inches, the comments were going to go blue.
Yeah.
Black.